What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. We've got the Weber going up to about 400-ish. We're going to turn the heat down. We had some chicken breasts and some chicken thighs that were marinating in some dill pickle juice. Really going to enhance the flavors of the Greek seasoning that we have. That's right, we're using Lane's Greek seasoning. One of my absolute favorites from one of my absolute favorites. So, you know, it's a great day. We're gonna throw the breasts and thighs on here. We're gonna grab some pita as well. Throw that on, cook that up real nice with some tzatziki, some onion, some tomato. Mwah! Let's do this. So we took our breasts and thighs, we marinated them overnight in some dill pickle juice, just, you know, a jar of dill pickle. Took out the juice, consumed some pickles, let it sit for a little bit, a little air dry. Then we hit it with some of that Lane's Greek seasoning, Lane's Legends. We're gonna let it sit, then we're gonna throw it on the Weber. All right, so we got the chicken on. Now we're gonna let it cook. All right, giving them a little flip. Look at that, beautiful. Gonna grab a little bit more seasoning, toss a little more on this side. Beautiful. All right, now we're taking our locally made bread. Threw a little olive oil on it. Just wanna get this flamed up just a bit. Threw olive oil on one side, threw it on, a little on the other. We're using authentic, organic, Greek olive oil. We're going all Greek, baby. All right, so we hit 165 internal. Close that grill. Look at that. Yeah. All right, we're gonna let them rest, and then we're gonna make our gyros. All right, we sliced up the chicken breast and chicken thighs. Little tzatziki, onion, tomato, and feta cheese. Let's go.